leaves twist, the roots unfold, the living warmth meets ancient cold, and every form begins to rise from this embrace of earth and sky. Down from the heavens into deep, the pulse of life repeats, repeats. Never the same, yet still the one, a spiral dance that's never done. The forest breathes through moving streams, the mountains sleep beneath the green, the waters curve, the branches bend, and every ending starts again. The seed will break, the flower grows, the fruit will fall, the river flows, and every child of earth and flame returns renewed, but not the same. Down from the heavens into the deep, the pulse of life repeats, repeats. Not copy made, but living rhyme, the same great song through space and time. Father falls as rain and light, the mother answers in the night, and in their meeting movement wakes, 1,000 forms the rhythm takes.